All right, see right there, Arlo? Scoop, see those green, see the green seaweed?
Yeah.
Move over to the right a little bit. Right there, scoop out in front of you. Yep, like I showed you, out in front. Let it sink. Let it sink. No, you gotta scoop all the way to the bottom, bud. You gotta use your muscles. All the way to the bottom. Now rake it, rake it. Grab as much stuff as you can. Go, go, go. Now pull it up and see what you got.
Got a big chunk of it, Mom.
That's good, that's what you want. That's what the stuff lives in.
Just hold it.
Look in there, guys, look in there. Yeah, watch out, there's thorns.
Where's the other net? Oh, it's over, all the way over there. Wait, where?
All the way back there, around the halfway around. Be careful. Watch out for the thorns.
Oh. Now this is real quick. I got the bucket.
You can find the net?
Yeah.
Watch out, you got thorns, all thorns. There you go. Yep.
There's a baby turtle somewhere. I really want a baby turtle. I'll just I had a baby turtle for like 5 days.
You all right, bud?
Can you move my shirt?
I don't know if that one works anymore.
There's nothing over here. Only frogs. Okay, guys. Arlo, come with me. Oh, dang.
I told you. Start scooping, they're everywhere. Oh, that was a big one to your right, James.
I have
Is it working, Arlo?
I got it on there, but it's not going like.
James, switch it up.
Oh. 1 second. Yeah, the piece fell off. Oh. Oh, I caught a leech. I thought that was a baby snake.
No, we don't want snakes.
We don't want leeches either.
Whoa!
Oh, get it.
That was a bullfrog.
Okay, that was all.
That was bigger than Bubba.
Someone grab my. Someone. Big.
That was
would
big.
be Chubba.
That was a big one.
That would be
Oh, there's one right below you too, James. He just jumped in.
a frog.
You can't go in there.
Grab my shirt. Grab my shirt.
Just scoop.
You good?
Scoop. You gotta go deeper.
I didn't catch anything.
You gotta go deeper. Watch out. Let's try go around.
Here, can I have a turtle?
Give it to Arlos.
Oh, you did? A crayfish? Yeah. That's it. Only that crayfish. Dad, you get.
Oh, I can hear him.
I'm gonna release this guy because you know,
Why?
because
The buckets?
yeah, it's over there.
Oh, way over there.
I'll only go.
Arlo,
I'm
be careful down the hill though. Be careful. There's gonna be some that are gonna start jumping. There you go, all the way down. Scoop it down. Okay.
Out, no.
Yeah, I have to go to the bathroom. So.
All the way down. There you go. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got. Oh,
Big frog?
Look at me.
Did I get anything? No.
keep going. Which way do you want to go now?
Here, I'll just scoop right here.
There you go. Scoop, drag it on the bottom. Drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it. All right, there's gotta be something in there. Something I thought moving.
Or at least a crayfish.
I mean, there's really nothing over here.
But
Wait.
Oh, I saw something moving.
yeah, me too. I thought that was a frog.
That's
They
it.
look like
That's it.
mini pieces of mud. Can I try?
Nope, his turn still.
Yeah.
No,
Let's go. Let's go around a little bit.
Can I go?
I'm gonna go get the buckets though.
Okay, guys.
We're gonna go back around, get the buckets.
I guess we can get your broken.
Yeah.
Is it actually like broken?
Yeah. It is.
Wait, no, it isn't.
Yeah,
is.
the
You
piece
just
is
have to
broke.
put
No,
that
that
thing.
piece snapped, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it broke. If you glued it.
No, it's pretty
I'm
broke.
going down this way.
Here you go, bud. Want me to carry it while I go down?
Arlo, can you please never mind. It's too far.
What?
The net.
I'll go get it.
Okay.
Here.
She wants.
Here, Arlo. I'll meet you guys around. Be careful on that side.
You can get the bucket.
I'll get the buckets in the other
There's
net.
some wild berries if we.
No, you're not eating berries.
Hungry.